Hola, amigos. This is your first video of 2021. We're going to take a look at the week 3 assignments. Let's scroll down here. Oh, they're not published yet. It's not going to work. Hola, amigos. This is your first video of 2021. We're taking a look at week 3 assignments. Your third assignment is Canta y Baila. For the third assignment, you're listening to a song by Shakira and Carlos Vives. Both of them came from Colombia, and they wrote this song. It's a song about just being a child and how life, the free living life of a child is so much better than being an adult, I guess, is how I would sum it up. Anyway, so when you start working on this, you just go into your Cami document, and the first thing I would do is look up these words right here, and I'll do the first one for you. Let's get a text box right there. And nada voy a hacer. Oh, they're telling me that I'm just giving you the answer. That's okay. Nada voy a hacer is I have nothing. I am not going to do anything. I am not going to do anything. Okay, so that's how you type words in the word box. So once you've got all your vocabulary words for the song, then you're going to listen to it. In each of these blanks, you're going to put in these definitions, these words right here. Somewhere here it's going to be nada voy a hacer. Muy bien. No quiero ser is I don't want to be. Te quiero tanto is I love you. Te sueño is I dream about you. Puedo ser feliz is I can be happy. Me gustas is you like me, I believe. That's a tough one. That's always a tough one for me. You'll have to listen to it in the song and see how she describes that. And then te quiero así, I love you the way you are. Lleva is he or she brings, and le gusta, he likes. So there you go. I just gave you all the answers. All you got to do is type them in and then look for them in the song. I really encourage you to read these paragraphs right here, these 2 paragraphs. You'll be surprised how much you understand in Spanish, and challenge yourself to understand those 2 paragraphs that are written in Spanish. And then some unique words to this song are Colombian words, and in Colombia there's a lot of special vocabulary that's unique to that culture. As you listen to the song the second time, make a check box, so you're going to have to switch over to the drawing here. Make a check box in the box each time you hear a phrase. So, llévame en tu bicicleta, take me on your bike. Every time you hear her sing that, check a box there. Latiendo por ti, that's your heart beating for, my heart beating for you. And un vallenato desesperado. Vallenato is a person from the valley, a valle, a person who was born in the valley, and it's a slang word for people that come from a particular region in Colombia. People that were born in this particular valley in Colombia where Shakira and Carlos Vives came from. So there you go. I gotta stop talking. See you guys later. Enjoy.